miss this so much.
I get those goosebumps every time. I need the hype. Throw that to the side. Yo. I get those goosebumps every time. Yeah, when you're not around, when you throw that to the side. Yo. I get those goosebumps every time. Yeah, 713 to the 281. Yeah, I'm riding.
My flow, my show brought me the dough that bought me all my fancy things. My crib, my cars, my clothes, my jewels. Look, homie, I done came up and I ain't changing. You should love it way more than you hate it.
The amount of money I spent on just this shirt was $400. Okay. It's not worth $400, but it's worth $400. Stitching of it and everything is so beautiful. Keep it though, I wanna keep it.
Go shorty, it's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip Bacardi like it's your birthday. And you know we don't give up, it's not your birthday. You can find me in the club, bottle full of bub. Mama, I got what you need if you need to fill the bars. I'm in the having sex, I ain't in the making love. So come give me a hug if you're in there getting rough. You can find me in the club, bottle full of bub. Mama, I got what you need if you need to fill the bars. I'm in there having sex, I ain't in there making love. So come give me a hug if you're in there getting rough.
I kind of already did it, but let's do it again. Ow. Okay, that hurt. Run that back. Let's do it again. Backwards. Good morning. We're gonna get this hair together so it won't be looking a mess for my birthday tomorrow. So I already booked one activity. When I lived here, I didn't do none of these activities. Now that I'm back with a little bit more money, I'm finally gonna do all these activities I actually wanted to do, that I actually have time to do. It just feels good to go to a city where I already know the kind of the ins and outs of how things work.
Your boy got the full body do-rag out.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the guala in my shorty bag. You know she wanna mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. It's that roll myself a day and count my figure shit. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stutter till I D.I.E. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stutter till I D.I.E. Fuck it, I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Feel my feelings, sending action. These days no kumbaya, niggas be past tense. Living in the middle, this shit might drive you mad. Ain't it pretty middle, but this life shit ain't all bad. Bloody, bloody murder, there ain't no second chances. Just do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. And I'm stunner till I D.I.E. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. And I'm stunner till I D.I.E.
My flight is at 10:35. Not packed yet. Let's try to get packed in like 30 minutes. Let's get an Uber around like 7:40. I'll get to the airport around like 8:20. Mission completed.